Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're actually taking the dog out for a walk, and pretty much we're going down the same way we went down. I believe it was last week. So yeah, so that's the way we went down last week with all the horses and stuff. So I'm trying to save up some money to get a decent camera. Right now I'm on my phone. This is the area I'm walking down. So the area I'm walking down has a little bit of horses and goats, maybe a few dogs. Yeah, so it's a nice area. I mean, especially that house over there. That house right there. That house is huge. I mean, it looks big. Now, don't be fooled. Some of these houses may look big on the outside, but it's what counts on the inside. If the inside is small, 3-bedroom house, road closed, so they're fixing something right now. So only local traffic. So if you live down that way, you might have to either go that way or this way. But yeah, don't be fooled by some of these big, huge houses. Especially with that one with a little balcony on a window. So somebody can just come outside when they want to and step out. There's a lot of cars over there. But yeah. See, some of these houses have like 2-car garage and like an extra little garage for like maybe a motorcycle or a small car. You know, per se. It looks like a small car was there. So, here we go. And now I'm about to show you guys. That's the area or the way I came down last time. I want to go down that way. That way. That way is the school. I actually used to come down this way. The bus used to come down this way. But it says share the road with the people on a horse. And yeah, just pretty much share the road. I don't know why she keeps detouring that way. So I'm going to show you guys a little bit of what I see, or what you guys see. I see like a few things. Wow, there's a lot of land. So I'm walking down this way, and this house right here has a lot of land. This looks like it's gonna be a big house on the inside. See, someone's getting a house built over there. That house is fucking huge. Out the street. So see, look how many cars they have. Have like a little river in the back. It's a huge house too. So they got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cars. Probably like 3 or 4 more in this other garage. But yeah, I like this house right here. This house is also nice too. When I first came down this way, I was like, yo, that's what I want to happen. I want to get my house built. So like the family, what's inside, that guy, he is currently getting his house built right now. Oh, there's a horse. Let me zoom in here for you guys. There's a horse right there. So that was the horse that we visited the last time we came down this way. But yeah, some of these houses, the driveway is big as shit. It's like those guys over there, they I actually came outside the house this time. So right now, walking down the street. And then as we turn left, you will see that, see, so those people over there getting a house built right now. And here come these dogs from last week. There's a few of them. See? Some dogs over there. But the houses are big. They come down this way often. So you guys hear the dogs barking. They want to say hello to this one over here, but there's a few of them. We just kind of walk past, and she doesn't know what to do because some of these dogs are males. And this one's like trying to hop over the fence and shit. So he realizes he can't hop over the fence because he's a little bitch. But yeah, we continue to walk. See? He's like, hey, yo, mom, let me holler at you really quick. And she's overwhelmed. Like, and then we got this little guy over here just barking. So yeah, she's doesn't know which side to pick. Even though she's not picking any side. This is private property right here. So, come on, go. Some cars will go through here. Now, if this ends and my video stops, be on the lookout for part 2, because I will be uploading part 1 and part 2 of the nice morning walk. So, that's why I want to get a camera so bad. Like, see, what inspired me to start a YouTube channel was I started watching other YouTubers, and some of these YouTubers had a family channel, where it was one channel, but it was dedicated to their everyday life. So pretty much it's called a vlog, a family vlog, and pretty much they just vlog their daily lives, whether they're just taking their kids to the dentist or going on a fun adventure, maybe going to maybe vlogging, driving to California or flying, you know. So I kind of want to be towards in that direction. So, yeah. So continue. This is what my view is now. After passing the smell of diesel pickup truck heading out of that house. See? He's down there. It's a blue house. So yeah, some of these houses have a lot of land, like this one. This house right here has all this land, all this. See, if we were living here, or if I was living here, guess what I would do? I would get a guest house built right there. Because with that kind of money, you have all this land. Imagine having to do yard work and raking the weeds up. But I don't think that this is their land, because one, they have poles where it looks like fences were. So it's probably not their land. But yeah, this house right here is kind of nice. It has a little well going right there. I guess with a lot of choke going into the ground. One bush strip ahead. So the thing I don't like about this house is, you see, they have two cars that are the same, the Crown Vics. Oh, let me zoom in really quick. That's pretty cool. So, yeah, I found that awesome, how they have two police interceptors And yeah, so it's kind of cool. I like this area. They have a few. Oh, that's the large house back there. That's that big ass house over there. So when we go around this way and we go down the road, I'll show you what I'm talking about. I'll vlog it, record it. See, I kind of like this area too, this house, because with the driveway going around in a circle, it's pretty cool. What is this guy doing? So, yep. So that guy back there that you guys just saw, maybe, he was on this side. He was like really close and he was coming towards me. I don't know if he was looking down, but yeah, don't come towards me that close. This is nice. They're from Texas, I guess, because I can see. Oh wow, this is crazy. Hopefully they have a barn or something, or a fence, because looks like this house was built on a floodplain. Oh, I'm wondering what's down there though. I'm curious. So I'm gonna go that way. So, oh, should we go down there now? Seems like just a bunch of dirt. I don't know. Wanna go check it out? I don't know. Looks like some of these houses are built on floodplains. Now this is kind of smart. Park your car in the front so that way if you got some crazy neighbors, you won't be trapped. So I'm noticing oh shit, look at the size of that thing. It's a dolly truck. But anyway, this is kind of smart because one, if you got, let's say you're at a girlfriend's house, but they invite you over for dinner, or you sleep over. Your girlfriend didn't tell you how crazy her family was. And if you have to escape, you can easily park your car like on the side of the road or something, not in front of the house. It's cool how they have a 15-mile-per-hour sign. Yeah. So yeah. Now this shit is huge. This is part of someone's house. So I know there's videos going on for about 13 minutes now of me just rambling on and showing you guys stuff, but just wait. Oh, another thing. I'm supposed to be getting a car soon. See, when I first saw those over there, I actually thought those were like actual horses, but then I looked a little closer and they were statues, so that kind of threw me off guard for a bit. But anyway, yeah, I'm supposed to be getting a car like very soon. I'm just waiting for the guy to respond back where he wants to meet up, and he's accepting payments. So I mean, but it's been like a day. Well, it's been a couple of hours. I wouldn't say a whole day. It's been a couple of hours since he's responded back to me. So I'm noticing that these signs here are popping up everywhere, talking about road closed, detour this way. Yeah, some other people walking. So yeah, it's road closed, detour this way. Go, move. Let's go. So, this time I can't roam around in the street because there's traffic coming down this way and they're fixing on the road, as you guys can see. It's traffic. I don't know, maybe we can. Let's give it a little try. These guys on the street, so why not? So yeah, they're fixing the road or doing something down there. Looks like this guy detoured down a street. Yo, there's a giant house over there. As you guys can see it. It's right over there. Hold on. Right over there. See that large house? Maybe if I move from the fence a bit, you'll be able to see it. Yep, see? There it is. That giant house. So, we'll be going to see that house. Yo, I can go where that car just turned. Maybe. I don't know. Yeah, that's the whole fence with horses and stuff back there. This is nothing but just road. I'm thinking they did close it. So I know I may have not quite a few videos, but watch. My channel's gonna blow up. Mr. Beast, if you guys don't know who that is, that's a YouTuber who took 2 years for his channel at least to get 1,000 likes, but he got desperate and spent a couple of $100, and he got 1,000 likes, or 1,000 subscribers. See, my channel only has 5, and the highest video I have is 790 views. So YouTube, they go according to subscribers, pretty much, for the most part. That's how you get your pay. That's how you get paid. Subscribers and ads. So once you start getting that AdSense account, and you make one, you monetize the videos on top of your subscribers, and that's pretty much how you start getting paid. And Mr. Beast, how he started getting paid is that he finally got some subscribers. And what really started it all off is him counting to I think 1,000 or 100,000 in 48 hours. He spent like all day. Yo, a nun, guys, look at this. There's the nuns. There's a few of them. I just saw one walk from that side into that door. That's them. So this is Our Lady of the Sun International Shrine. Yeah, so it's pretty much a church for the nuns. And I just saw one walk inside that building in the car. So you never really know who's behind the wheel after driving in either in front of or behind. So last Saturday, this door was closed. Well, at least the gates were. The gates were closed, and you couldn't really see what's going on. So I'm kind of wondering, if I was to ever walk down this way, and I need to stop and go to the bathroom, and this place was open, they probably most likely would not let me in if there was a bathroom. It's rare, but it's worth a shot. I mean, what can I say? Yes or no? They can't get mad and say, you evil sin. Sorry. Headphones are back in. Now, what I was trying to tell you guys is that this place is a Catholic church for women only who are nuns. So if you've ever been to like, I don't know, see the gate is open right there. See, nuns can actually come out of their it's called a cathedral, and nuns, they cannot I want to check and see if these people are actually following me. This elderly couple. I'm going to check behind me with you guys to see if they're following me, because I turned the corner. So they were behind me when I was there's a perfect example. Yeah, they're behind me. Right there. See? I have statues of nuns right there. And there's a statue of a nun over there. So this is where the nuns go. So I checked behind me and the couple is right behind me. Oh, here's a huge house I was telling you guys about. Maybe I didn't have to make a part 2, but you can see the huge house behind the tree. Some dogs. So, there's pretty much nothing down here. She's not really interested in the dogs. Hey, come on. So I'm gonna stop in front of the house. See, there's a dog. Oh, still walking. So pretty much oh, there's a house. So I think this might be some kind of home, like a girl's home, an all-girls home. So check it out. Shit is freaking huge. Look at that shit. Let me zoom in. That shit is huge. Not too far. So yeah, there's a house right there. Yo, I like this out front. This shit is freaking huge. Look at that shit. Huge ass house. House is freaking insanely huge. I feel bad for the maintenance man. He has to deal with all of this. This house is huge as fuck. Kind of like the balcony. Kind of the driveway should have